Alright, go ahead. Good. Hey everybody, it's Wally again. Since the first video of the 50,000 miles checkup, I added a little bit over another, I'm at 50,330 something. So I decided that I'm going to take the front wheels off, left and right, look at the bearings, and if I need to repack them, I'll repack them. And that's going to be my project for today. Alrighty, I'm going to get it outside and get it on the driveway and start taking wheels off. Alrighty, so I've never seen any other way to take these old chrome hubcaps off other than I've got an old chisel that I've ground down so it's a nice fine edge, goes right up against it, and it pops it right off if I can get the lip to catch. There we go. Alrighty. And the lugs are pretty old, they're a little worn down. Probably gonna need more than this. Let's see. Nope. Okay, as you can see, I used my bottle jack. The lip on the back of it, that little, almost like a jack stand kind of thing. This is too tall to fit under the axle since it drops down. So, yeah, this bottle jack works really good. I really like it. It's nice. Alright, you ready? Let's get this one off. This is an old little trick that somebody showed me a couple of years ago. That's what the old timers would do instead of using the new motorized stuff that everybody's got nowadays. Just use the wheel itself. Look at that. Alrighty, let's see if I can get this popped off. That's moving. Let's see if I can get this spot tip. Oh yeah. Look at that. They look good. Good grease in them still. At least in the cap. I'm pretty sure that I filled this when last time I looked at these. So, I'm pretty sure I filled these caps with grease last time I looked at them. But that still looks good. And also, while I'm under here, I want to, with the wheel off, I want to take a look at the those lip racks and shocks. Let's take a look at these things. Let's see. Oh man, I don't know if you can hear that. That's tight. Alrighty, well, that might be for another day when I have more time. Well, since the other two things I tried to do this video failed, I'm going to open up the steering box and refill that steering gear. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use like an 80-90 gear oil. That might be what the steering gear is calling for. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm using. So, alright, it's 7/16. That wasn't that tight. That's always good. chances are, if I had an oil pan filled with oil underneath this truck, I would drop it. There you can see anything in there. Probably not. Nope, I can't see anything. Alright, so I gotta fill that. Okay. I'm not sure where the fill line is on this truck, or in this steering gearbox. So, I'm just gonna go till she starts puking. And the flavor of today is Valvoline. That's what I got. I also filled my transmission and my differential with this stuff. It's pretty good. Alrighty, so a little bit of fluid in that gear oil. This doesn't have to be that tight, it's just gotta be snug. Alrighty, there's that done.